Today I'm going to show you the do's and don'ts of how to do your mascara. Most of us do when we buy a brand new bottle of mascara, we think, I can just apply this straight to my lashes and they're going to look phenomenal. However, there's a science to this that nobody tells you about unless you stumble across a video like this one. While there is no right and wrong of applying mascara, there is a way to apply it to make it look like you're wearing false lashes. And if that's the look you're going for today, then you've stumbled across the right video. Before we get into it, we need to bring you in closer, closer, closer. On the left side of my face today, I'm going to be applying mascara the way I normally would without taking any extra steps to make it look like I'm wearing falsies. And on the right side of my face today, I'll be doing the extra steps to make it look like I'm wearing falsies. So here we are, we've opened our brand new bottle of mascara and we think, okay, let's curl our lashes. That's what we need to do. We need our lashes curled. Let's curl them. I know that using a lash curler can be pretty scary. I've actually had somebody pinch my lid while doing my makeup and it traumatized me. So please proceed with caution because you can pinch your lid. It's a thing. I'm going to be using the Japanesque lash curler and this you can get at Target. That's where I purchased mine. And I'm just going to curl my lashes just like that. Make sure that you get majority of your lashes. Pulsate opening and closing the lash curler a few times to get them kind of curled. And there you go. Now on the right side, I'm going to heat up my lash curler. So you will be needing a lighter. I do have what I call a fire starter. It's a lighter. So yeah, I go ahead and heat up my curling wand. You want to be very careful while doing so. Let it cool for a second. Feel it. If it feels warm enough to the touch to where you won't burn your eyelid, then you can go ahead and curl your lashes. And the same thing as the left side, go ahead and pulsate, opening and closing the wand. Something that I like to do is lift my hand a little bit so that I'm not curling parallel to my lid. I'm curling kind of away. So that way I'm actually curling it a bit more too. And that helps a lot, like so. Like a curling iron or a straightener, the heat allows the lashes to stay curled throughout the day, giving it that falsy effect. You can already see the lift and the curl that it gives without even applying mascara. On the left side, we're going to be applying the mascara as is. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara and just applying it. Like you've been told many times before, I'm going to be applying the mascara, wiggling it from root to tip. This mascara is amazing. My lashes do look good. However, we can get it to look better. On the right side, we're going to be taking a primer because I noticed that using a lash primer makes a world of a difference than just applying your mascara as is. So I'm taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Base Lash Primer. We are coating our lashes from root to tip. As you can see, this is the slightest difference, but it does make my lashes look a little bit thicker and fuller versus just applying the mascara without a primer. Something I love to do is layer on my mascaras because I feel like there's not one mascara that does it all, even though they claim to. Some other mascaras that I recommend are the Benefit mascaras. They make amazing mascaras. This is one of the new ones. This is their Real Magnet Mascara, and I'm going to be applying this on the right side today. I learned this tip from a friend in high school. When we were on a field trip, she had seven mascara bottles and she would switch out the wands because it's all about the wands, not really the formula unless it's a flaky formula, and she would switch out the wands and use 7 mascaras to get her lashes to look bomb. So the 2 mascaras that I recommend from Benefit are the Roller Lash Mascara and the Bad Girl Bang. This lengthens and this holds the curl, but don't apply it by itself. You need a layer. And I have minis because I don't know where the full sizes are at. They're somewhere. The best one I noticed to also get the ends of my lashes is the Roller Lash. Because of this curved wand, I am able to get the ends of my lashes a lot better. Once your lashes are mostly dry, you're going to want to take your lash curler and take a napkin, clean it off because yes, you do have some leftover eyeliner, mascara, or whatever on your lash curler. And then you're going to curl your lashes one more time. To prevent my lashes from ripping off, I slowly close my eyelid instead of pulling off the curling wand from my lashes. I can't find my lash comb, so I'm going to be using a spoolie to separate my lashes, but you definitely want to get a lash comb to separate your lashes. A trick I've learned, if you do get mascara on your lid or anywhere you don't want it, let it dry, and once it does, take a spoolie, a clean spoolie, and brush it from side to side to take off the mascara. If you don't have or want to use a spoolie, you can go ahead and use a Q-tip and it'll do the same thing. Oh! You thought we were done? No, sweetie. We're going to be taking this a step further and making our lashes look thicker by applying liner to our top lashes. Okay, I'm not the best at tightlining because my eyes are so sensitive, so just bear with me here, but essentially I have to look away when I do it. Another thing that helps your lashes is creating a fox eye. So I'm gonna be taking this Morphe 35OM palette, and I'm just gonna be taking a brush. This is the Morphe M432 brush, and just following my natural lash line and creating a wing. Don't forget the inner corner as well. The next step is not recommended. You don't have to do it if you don't feel like. However, I would get a separate mascara for your lower lash line, whether it's on my left side or right side. I'm going to be taking a separate mascara. This is a MAC Extended Play Giga Black Mascara, and this is the best, so far that I found, the best lower lash mascara because it has a tiny wand for the lower lash. And I would recommend any mascara that has a tiny wand except for the Wet n Wild Mega Slim mascara. That stuff is so flaky. Just make sure this one's good. You can find some. As you can see, the right side is dramatically different from the left. Just by taking those extra steps, it creates a false lash look effect. Is that it? Did I say it right? False lash look effect. False lash effect. I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button because it really helps me out. Hit that subscribe button to join the KB family, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys!